I'm going to show you some ways to love on yourself. Hi, I'm Alemi from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual and wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm Alemi. I want to shout out all my people from Miami, Florida. Woohoo! Welcome. So today we're going to go through some shareable, wink, 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 shareable rituals that you can do with yourself and with others. So let's get started. So sometimes we want to do something for ourselves and possibly share it with someone else. That's how you build a stronger bond if you're with other people. You can do shareable things with loved ones, whether it be platonic love, romantic love, it could be with friends, or just by yourself. So today I'm going to show you some things that you can do by yourself or with others. So today we have our Lucky Passion soap, and this one is patchouli based, all handmade. Love it, love it, love it. This one's great for attraction, come to me, see me, follow me, give me money, things like that. And so you can use this while you're putting out your intentions. All spiritual work is manifestation work. All spiritual work is manifestation work. Why? Because when you put out an intention, you want something to manifest. When you put out an intention and you pray for something, or you make an affirmation for something, you're looking for that to manifest in your life, which is exactly why all spiritual work is manifestation work. And so using something like a soap that's on your body all the time, building up that energy more and more and more is going to be fantastic. And so Lucky Passion brings up your personal fire, gets you aggressive, brings up your passion, ... The next item that I have here is our Lucky Love Spell Salt. And this, oh my God, the smell is just gorgeous. So wonderful. It's great for men, women, and it brings up your vibration of magnetism. Look at me, follow me, check me out, right? All of that. And so when you're doing self-love work, that's how you want to feel. You want to feel confident. You want to feel bold. You want to feel like, oh yeah, this is it. And so using a salt versus a soap or both helps to amplify those vibrations with you. So the next thing we have here is our Lucky Magnetism Oil. And this, as you can see, it's got all this wonderful stuff in here. This is unisex in scent. So great for men, great for women. These are some of the items that we put out a few times a year, not regular items that we sell. Unless you buy lots of it, then we'll be having it all year round. But this oil is great for bringing up your magnetism, making people see you, listen to you, come to you, give you favor, things like that. Again, wonderful when you're doing self-love work. Why? Because this kind of thing is absolutely great when you are working on yourself. So I want to give you a few things that you can do outside of using products, but now one is on the body and in the spirit, so to speak, and the other one is here in your mind. So doing mirror work, putting your affirmations maybe on a mirror, and where that one, putting one, and every day for 21 days, you're focused on that intention for yourself. It could be for a relationship. It could be for work. It could be for something that you're wanting to get motivated about, right? So again, using products that help to amplify that in addition to the ritual of doing it, putting those together, you got it. So then the next thing that I want to share with you that was given as a suggestion, I think is just so wonderful. I love to work with plants, and this one I think is just magnificent, is purchasing a plant with a particular intention in mind. And so every time you take care of this plant, you're indirectly taking care of yourself. Again, you can do this with someone where maybe you decorate the plant together. You decorate the pot together. Maybe you replant it together. Any way you want to do it, but the plant is being used as a manifestation tool, right? So, self-love is wonderful to use with plants. So then the other thing that I wanted to share with you is I love to do this, and this is one of my personal favorites, is to call someone, not text them, but to call someone that has some love for you, right? It could be a family member, it could be a child, it could be a friend, it could maybe even be someone at work. If you're not able to call them, you could see them where they say something really nice to you, or you say to them, if you say, well, I don't really know if I trust my friends like that. Then you say, hey, let's do a ritual together where I bless you and you bless me, where you can say something good to each other that really helps to make you feel good, make you feel confident, make you feel really, really, really cared for and loved, right? So, wanting to share with you, we have this Lucky Come To Me powder, because this is also something good when you're using it with other people. So what does that mean? You can do a love candle with someone that you love, romantic or otherwise. You could blow the powder around, blow it around your home before people come by, right? You could maybe put a little bit on someone's clothing just for them to feel, oh my God, she loves me, I love her, right? Different things that you can do with each other or separately. This powder is also wonderful to put in different kinds of spiritual works, candles, baths, and so on. So again, Come To Me powder. This is also one of our special editions during the year. And I have a sweet thing for you after I tell you this other thing, which is go dancing, right? Going dancing is so wonderful to build self-love. People ask you, hey, do you want to dance? Yeah, I want to dance, right? Or if you're like, well, I'm not really into going out, you could take a dance class where it's a partner type of thing, where you're actually experiencing someone else. You're looking in their eyes, they're looking in your eyes, you're touching each other's hands. Fantastic way to do something either by yourself or share that moment with others. And then lastly, you can definitely do it at home, right? We call it sexy dancing, right? You could do sexy dancing in your house, wink, wink, right? So there are lots of things that you can do to enhance self-love in your life without necessarily spending a lot of money, going somewhere you're uncomfortable, but still staying in your comfort zone. And I have a sweet thing for you, but before that, the last one that I want to share with you today is a spa day. Everybody knows about how to do a spa day. I gave you some items for doing spa day at home. Using a soap, using a body scrub, right? You can either scrub yourself or get your back scrubbed, right? These are things that you can share or you can do by yourself. Lighting candles in the bathroom, having flowers, buying yourself flowers. All of these things you can turn into your own self-ritual. And again, it's all shareable. And so now, our sweet thing for today is this beautiful Dove's Blood writing kit. So you don't have to use Dove's Blood. You can use, this is an ink. So for all of you who are not used to spiritual work, this is not Dove's real blood. This is an ink. You can use different types of inks, different colors. This particular kit comes with a quill, and you can write yourself a beautiful love letter. Or you can write one to someone. Or you can use this love letter to manifest what it is that you want in your life. I hope you got some ideas out of this video, things that you can do yourself to manifest a change, build self-love, more confidence, more magnetism that you can share with others or do by yourself. Try it and let me know, and definitely comment below. And if you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.